In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install fresh animations to any version of Minecraft on your Mac. Before we get started, it's important to note that you will need to have Java installed to your Mac, so if you don't have it already, I will leave that tutorial linked in the description below. The first thing we need to do is to download the correct Minecraft files to our laptop so we can install Optifine and fresh animations. To do this, you want to open your Minecraft launcher, and then you want to select the version of Minecraft you want to download Optifine for, so for this example it's going to be 1.21.4. Once Minecraft has opened, this means the files have been downloaded, so you want to click on Quit Game, and now we just need to go ahead and download Optifine so we can run fresh animations. To download Optifine, we first need to open our web browser, or you want to go to optifine.net, and I'll leave this linked in the description below. From here you want to click on the Downloads tab at the very top, and then you want to select your Minecraft version here. If you don't see it, you may need to select Show All Versions, and then you want to go ahead and find your Minecraft version here. So for this example, it's going to be 1.21.4, so we're going to click on the download button. You would then need to wait 5 seconds for a skip button to appear in the top right hand corner, so when this appears you want to click on that. And then you want to go ahead and click on the download button, and you want to go ahead and save the Optifine installer to your Mac, so for this example I'm going to save it to my desktop. Now we have Optifine downloaded, we just need to download the Fresh Animations resource pack. So to do this you want to open your web browser, and you want to go to any modding platform of your choice, and for this example I'm using modroof.com. From here we're going to scroll down, and I'm going to click on Discover Mods, and then we're going to click on Resource Packs at the very top, and then you want to go ahead and search for Fresh Animations. However, it may appear as the first result. So we're going to click into it, and once you're on the Fresh Animations page, you want to click on the Versions tab near the top, and then you want to go ahead and select the version of Fresh Animations for your Minecraft version. So for this example, we are using 1.21.4, which is this version, so we're going to click on that, and then you want to click on the green download button, and then you want to save the Fresh Animations resource pack to your Mac. As a bonus tip, you can also download the Fresh Animations extensions resource pack, which will give you more animations and features. However, this isn't available for 1.21.4 as of recording this video, so I won't be installing that today. Now we have Optifine and Fresh Animations downloaded, we just need to go ahead and install Optifine. So to do this you want to open it up, and if you get this error message it means we need to approve it within the system settings. So to do this you want to click on the Apple logo in the top left hand corner, and then you want to click on System Settings. Once you're inside System Settings you want to scroll down until you find Privacy and Security. In here you want to scroll all the way to the bottom until you see the Optifine listed here, and you want to click on Open Anyway. You then want to click on Open Anyway, and then you may need to enter in your Mac password or Touch ID to open it. After a few seconds it will open and it will look like this. Now you simply want to click on the Install button, then after a couple seconds Optifine will successfully be installed. So now we've done this we want to click on OK, and we go ahead and delete Optifine for our Mac if you'd wish to do so. Now Optifine has been installed, we just need to install the Fresh Animations resource pack. So to do this you want to open your Minecraft launcher, and in the Profiles drop down menu you want to select the Optifine version we just installed. If you don't see this you may need to restart your Minecraft launcher. Once Minecraft has opened, we want to click on the Options button, and then you want to click on Resource Packs, and then you want to click on Open Pack Folder, and it should appear. Now we simply want to drag and drop the Fresh Animations resource pack into this folder just like this. Now we've done that, you want to exit out of the folder, and it should appear here in Minecraft. Now you want to click on this arrow button to move it from the available column to the selected column. Now you want to make sure it's at the top and it's above the default pack like this, and now we've done that you want to click on Done, and Minecraft will refresh after a couple of seconds. Now we've done this, the Fresh Animations resource pack has successfully been installed. So now you want to click on Done, and then you want to click on Single Player, and you can start using it just as you normally would. So I've just spawned into my new world, and as you can see the Fresh Animations resource pack is successfully working. Bear in mind that we also installed Optifine, which is a performance mod as well. So we can access these settings by going to the menu and clicking on Options, and then you want to click on Video Settings, and you can edit these video settings here. And that's it. So if this video is helpful please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments you can leave them below.